Do you know which is the largest shopping mall in Bangalore city? It is IKEA. Do you know where it is located? Do you know how to go to IKEA? Do you know what is the area of IKEA? Do you know the meaning of the term IKEA? Do you know who started it? And do you know how to buy the products from IKEA? And do you know what all do you get in IKEA? If you want answers for all these questions, please watch the full video till the end. IKEA is the largest shopping mall in Bangalore city. It is spread over 12.2 acres of land. The built up area is 4,60,000 square feet. It is located in Nagasandra area. It is next to the Nagasandra Metro station in Bangalore city. It is about 18 kilometers from the Bangalore city center. IKEA was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai, last year. This Swedish business venture invested 3,000 crore rupees in Bangalore to build the largest IKEA mall in Bangalore city. There are more than 7,000 different home furnishing products that are available in IKEA in Bangalore. The name IKEA is derived from the name of the founder, Ingvar Kamprad, and the farm in which he grew up. And as a 17-year-old, he started this business. Now it is a $17 billion company in the world. If you want to go to IKEA in Bangalore, it is quite easy. Get into metro, go to Nagasandra Metro station, and next to the Nagasandra Metro station, you have IKEA situated there. IKEA is a home furnishing mall. You get all items required for your home furnishing. You can get varieties of items, but the rates are not very cheap. They are decent rates. At the same time, you get lot of varieties. You get lots of varieties of items there. That is the biggest advantage of IKEA. The price may not be very cheap. Prices are decent, sometimes higher, but you get lot of good varieties. But you get good range of items, and also you get high quality items. So quality and variety are the two important things that are guaranteed in IKEA. Don't ask me about the price. If you ask me what are the products that are available in IKEA, you get storage items, like bags, bins, and things like that, organization items, and you get furniture. You get all sorts of furniture: beds, dining tables, all sorts of furniture, sofas, chairs, and all those things. Home items, textiles, decoration items, lightings are unmatchable. You get so many varieties of lighting systems: beds, mattresses, baby and children items, bathroom products, outdoor products, smart home products, working from home products, office items, office products, home carpets, mats, artificial flowers, pots, laundry and cleaning items, home electronics, home improvement products, foods and beverages. These are the different categories of items that are available in IKEA. But what I liked most was the lighting systems. You get varieties of lamps and lighting systems that are required for homes. Also, you get lots and lots of varieties of artificial flowers and pots that are very good. They are very good quality items that are available in IKEA. If you want to see IKEA completely, you need full day. Last week I had free time, so I went by metro, reached IKEA by 11 a.m. in the morning. I spent a full day till 10 p.m. and I wanted to buy some items. I bought and I returned back on metro at 10 o'clock. The metro at 10 o'clock was fully empty. There are hardly any people there. It is very easy. You can go to IKEA by using metro and you can reach IKEA, do your shopping, and maybe if you want you can see everything and you can return back home safely. There is no problem at all because you have metro connection. And for lunch you can eat there itself. There is a hotel there, but you get Swedish food. You can also get the Indian food also, but you get quite good food there. You can eat there itself. You can spend the whole day there. You can enjoy. It's a very nice outing for you to go to IKEA and do shopping.
I'm a lot in a dollar sign, guaranteed I can blow your mind. Tell me I'm too crazy, you can't tame me, can't tame me. Tell me I have changed, but I'm the same me, oh same me. Inside.
If you are interested in improving your home, furnishing your home, decorating your home, please go to IKEA and do your shopping. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.